So hello guys, welcome back to develabs.ai. So in this video we are going to publish your AppSheet app. So if you know the channel, please like, share and subscribe for more updates on develabs.ai guys. So let's first log into our credentials. So just copy your username and open your Google AppSheet in ignore mode. Then click on Google here and paste your username here and click on next and come back to your lab and just copy your password and just come back here and paste it here and click on next. Click on I understand. So click on continue here. So click on hello. So come back to your lab and click on task number one. At the below of task number one, there is a link. Where is there? Here. Copy the app to your AppSheet account. So click the link. Link key will be in the underlined blue icon here. So just open it in ignore mode. So just come back here. So before that, copy this your customer contacts here. Copy this and just come back here and click on this copy app here and just remove this customer contacts. Paste it here, customer contacts here. Click on copy app. So guys, our task number one has been completed. So let me move for another task. So before going to another task, so come back and open a new tab here and just search for Google Sheets here. Click on enter and then click on Google Sheets sign in here. So guys, it will open a blank spreadsheet here. So now just click on this icon here, symbol of a Google spreadsheet sheet home. So just come back to our lab. So guys, I will provide a link in the description. So get access of the GitHub link and just come back and just download here and just come back to our lab and just click on here. There will be given an option called ship to here. Click on this ship to address and then an empty file will be opened here. Click on got it here. So go to file here. Click on import here. So click on here upload. Click on browse here. So recently you have been downloaded right in GitHub. So just click on that. Develops.1030 guys, which will be downloaded the file. So now create a new spreadsheet option will be there. So make sure that make that as a replace spreadsheet option here. Click on this and just import the data here. So we have been imported the data guys. So let me move for our lab and let me check our progress guys. So click on task number one. So below task number one, click on check my progress here. So our check my progress has been done guys. So let me move for another task here. Let me check our another progress here. So there is no more. At the task number 5 there is check my progress here. So click on check my progress here. So guys, finally our lab has been completed guys. So if you're new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe for more updates on develabs.ai guys. Thank you. Let me meet on next lab guys.